Welcome to WebSalpers. In this video, I will show you how to insert or embed a YouTube video in Canva. To do that, open Canva, press create. Create a design or select a design. I will choose custom size. I'll go with 1280 by 720 pixels. Select a design. If this panel doesn't show, click design icon at the left. Let's select this page. Then go to youtube.com, pick the video to embed, copy the video URL, select the URL, right-click, and select copy. Alternatively, you can click share button and copy this link. Then go to Canva, adjust the page to your liking, right-click and paste. Select allow. And here is the video. Adjust video size. And if you want to play it here, double click and click play button. If you are unable to paste the video, click apps icon at the left, search YouTube, select YouTube embed app, click open, paste URL for the video, select the video. And this is how you can insert or embed a video from YouTube on Canva. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.